So what I'm doing here on a 92 Dodge Caravan is I'm running a toggle switch, a kill switch, to these electric fans down here. Yeah, I did it the wrong way the last couple times. I'm running a wire. I got an inline fuse right there. The fuse is currently sitting right here on the battery. I'm going to put that fuse back in. I'm going to run another wire up to this toggle switch to the on position, straight to the battery, and that should give me my on and off position. I will show you the finished product when I'm done here. So let me jump back to this, get this last wire hooked up to the battery, hooked up to here, and we'll see what we got going on. We'll be back with you, folks. So here I've got the finished product. As y'all can see, I got this wire ran up into this toggle switch. Switch works. Fans come on, as you can see right there. Everything's hooked correctly. Inline fuse, blah blah blah. There's your finished product. Happy holidays. See you around.